The craftsman first prepares the molding with 2 molding plates and a wet leather piece. He then molds the leather into the key shape with C-clamps. After the leather was molded completely into the key shape, he takes out the leather dye bottle, then dips the wool brush with it lightly. He applies the dye on the leather pieces carefully and evenly. When the dyed leather pieces become dry, he applies the dye fixative on those leather pieces. It is an important process to protect the color from fading with the time and more resistant with weather. He then draws the line of the button layout of the key fob on the front piece of the key fob cover. Then he cuts or punches the buttonhole of the key fob cover. This requires a lot of experience of Leathercrafts to make the buttonhole fit perfectly with the key fob. He cuts the open of the key fob cover. He needs to cut precisely to make the opening look smoothly good without any rough line. The front piece is done, so he proceeds to make the back piece of the key fob cover. It still needs precision to make the front and the back piece fit well with each other and no excess leather. After the 2 leather pieces are done, he applies the glue and connects those pieces as one. He needs to do that precisely because a mistake can cause those pieces to stick with each other firmly and can't separate due to strong glue. Prepare the line of the stitches and cutting line of the key fob cover. He punches the stitching holes carefully to make sure the holes for stitching are in a smooth line. He then does the hand stitching. He needs to stitch with precise force to make sure the stitching is not only tight but also looks good. After he is done with the stitching, he cuts excess leather by hand and applies the dyeing to the edge, then burnishes the edge by hand till the edge becomes very smooth. The item is not done yet. He had to make the strap to fasten the leather key fob cover. This is essential for daily usage, not only convenient, stylish but also can protect the key fob. Finally, he assembles the strap with a click button and clasp, then he installs the strap with the key fob cover. The key fob cover can be used from now on. Thank you for watching.